The door is open. You can come in now.
I want trick or treats.
Oh, I want you to buo this one and I will give you. This is your treats. You have to fix all of this one and then I will give you treats, okay?
I want.
Okay, wait lang. Oh, wait lang. Wait lang. You sit down there. Sit down. Faster, faster. Faster. No. Not like that. Fast. Dirty. Dirty. Okay. Okay. Okay, fix it. I will give you treats. Faster, faster. Faster, I will give you treats. Okay. You show the numbers, If you fix it, Mama will give you treats. How many treats?
I want many treats.
You want many treats?
Many trick or treats, Mama.
Okay, treats.
Except this. Aha. Next.
Wow, nice. You almost. Wow, very nice. You almost make it. You're finished? What do you want? You close your eyes and pick. Pick, close eyes. Pick another one. You pick 5.
I want many.
5 only, You close your eyes,
Oh, my trick or it's gone.
5 treats. Close eyes.
I want more treats.
Madaya.
Mom.
Madaya. Mama said close eyes. Oh, no. Enough na. Next puzzle.
I want trick or treats.
Yeah, next puzzle first before treats.
Here.
Okay.
Treats.
Mm.
Treats.